This video will show you its key features and new aesthetic design. The 80WA type port with 1 nanometer cost is still the same transparent case from the traditional digital series. This phone's main selling point is the Lucky Star, a fusion of 3 colors: cat's eye twin star ring, iridescent flowing starry sky, and gradient lucky. It utilizes a dual ceramic process and a light gradient coating process, allowing light to transition from cool white to iridescent colors, quite dreamy. The camera module arrangement continues the horizontal layout of the Honor 500 series, with the 600 Pro's lenses distributed more widely, using a large and too small design and a unibody cold glue process. However, the ring around the DEO appears to be made of plastic, looking less refined than the 500 Pro. This is, in my opinion, the only regret of the 600 series. Honor's camera on a flat screen is already top-notch, so what upgrades does the Honor 600 Pro offer? Well, this is the first time in the Honor number series that a completely equilateral 4-sided bezel has been achieved, with a 0.98mm bezel on all 4 sides. This brings a truly perfect sense of immersion and premium feel. This should be the phone with the narrowest bezel you can currently buy. A little higher is the 115T, with a 1.1mm bezel on all 4 sides. Other upgrades include the R9 being larger, featuring hardware and Indonesian-specific features like the dark mode and Honor Oasis Eye protection. These are still top tier. Next, let's look at the imaging upgrades: a 200MP main camera, a 5kW 3.5x telephoto lens, and a 12MP ultra-wide-angle macro lens. The 50MP front camera also supports 4K live output. The biggest upgrade of the Honor 600 Pro is its full-range 4K live output and lossless sharing support for Zyro Hongshu, compatible with apps like Xingtu and Meitu. This upgrade is incredibly user-friendly for users of iPhotos. Honor also introduced a live clone feature. In the gallery, there's a Create function. You can see live clone, which can adjust the image based on the subject's pose or movement. To generate a similar 3D animated sticker, like this effect, let's add an image, for example, the one we just took that's divided into live images. So this is the generated effect. We can click on it to zoom and rotate. See how realistic this operation is? I think this feature is quite interesting. It can even move with you when exporting. The Honor 600 Pro's 200MP camera is really great. First of all, the combination of a 1/4-inch large sensor, OIS optical image stabilization, and CP 6.0 image stabilization is truly unbelievable. It's hard to imagine that you can take such clear and beautiful photos now. Even when zoomed into 35x, the details, especially hair, still very clear. The Honor 600 also has an upgraded flash. It uses a 4-LED symmetrical array covering the entire portrait focal length from 24 to 160mm. It's also the first dual symmetrical AI zoom flash. In portrait mode, when the camera simulates CCD shooting, you can feel the immense charm of this AI zoom flash. First, it has a pre-flash. This is used for metering the subject and providing current parameters for the second stage flash, allowing for a clear and atmospheric effect when shooting at night. In terms of battery, both the Honor 500 Pro and 600 Pro have an 8000 mAh battery, coupled with 80W wired and 50W wireless charging, and all models come standard with 27W wired reverse fast charging, taking the daily experience to a new level. We can always trust Honor's battery performance. It's also the most powerful among the 3 major Honor brands. The processor is the Dimensity 8550 Elite, paired with the Honor Drive 300. Performance-wise, it's a downgrade from the Honor 500 Pro's 8 Elite, but the waterproof rating is the same as the 500 Pro, both having IP68, 69 and 69K. So, these are the main impacts and changes of the Honor 600 Pro. Do you like the Honor number series?